The DIY dry pour concrete slab. Is it really worth it? Welcome back to the channel. I'm JR, and today I'm showing you how easy it is to save time and money doing your own dry pour concrete. Warrior House DIY, empowering you with skills for life. Make sure to like this video, check out our helpful links in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe. The steps are actually pretty easy. You'll start by prepping your area, building a form. I recommend pre-wetting the ground or doing this after a heavy rainstorm. And you guessed it, we're building a ramp for this small barn. It's going to be so much better to drive the mower in and out instead of using plywood. Next, you're going to pour your dry concrete mix. You'll see here that I used a couple different brands of quick setting mixture. And then mix the dry concrete with a rake, smooth it out with a stiff board or a pipe. Now for the most important step, we're going to lightly mist the concrete with a garden hose. We don't want to soak it just yet. We're waiting for a shell to start forming. After that, switch it over to a shower and saturate this thing. And we're going to continue to saturate the slab every 2 to 4 hours for the first 24 hours, covering it with a tarp in between. That's it. You just did your first concrete dry pour slab or ramp. Easy peasy, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to leave a link down below to a concrete calculator that I used to help determine how many bags to buy. And as always, if you've enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more DIY tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.